Hey, what's up guys? It's Sami again here. I hope you enjoy these days. I'm not, but still live. Okay guys, what we want to do today, I want to analyze something. And what's that? Let's take a look. Today I've tried to work on something and look, text to binary, and I expect that you know what's the binary is and what the text is in total. To get a face of it, it's a language or a 0-1 numbers that's readable by machine. It's machine language, let me say that. For example, when you type to your computer name or something like that, your machine, your laptop, your computer cannot reading like this. First, it's going to convert it to these things, to numbers. For example, I'm saying hello, okay, and I say convert this text to binary. Look at hello in binary machine language is like this. And maybe you are going to ask me where we are going to use it. Honestly say by myself, because I'm not Java SE developer, and I'm Java EE enterprise developer, and we are making web applications. For example, parking application, hotel booking management, web shop, those things. It's application. But these things, what I'm making these days, in reality you are not seeing this, but the logic is the same. Because when I'm talking about a SpringBoot application, it's mean, or you expect to see a complete application. For example, I can register myself there, I can change my password, I change my address, change my bank number, all those things, okay? But this is what I'm showing you, just to show you how can be, because the logic is the same. Okay, years back, about years 2005 or 2006, those days, I want to tell you how we can use it. As a VB script, we wrote that days a VB script, and because to hide your keylogger or to hide your Trojan from antivirus eyes, you cannot just write your code like that. And that's why when we made our code, a function in our program converted to the binary code with easily with a simple method, it changed the text, and finally you have, for example, your main class in the form of binary, and it takes a little bit time to be detected by antiviruses or something like that, okay? And this is actually the only thing that I used as binary, and that was to make a keylogger. Okay, now guys, we want to make something like this exactly. You see guys, we have here one input. This is a one page, simple page application. It's also something like because you can click there, you see. Okay, what I mean it's one input application. It's mean you are going to give one input and you get one input back. Other word, you give one to me and you get one back. It doesn't matter. I'm saying just simple words, okay? One to one. And that's why when I'm talking about it, I need a way, the only way to get my input from my user and take it to my application. Okay, and as you if you followed my other videos, we have made it a Bitcoin application that day, and that was really simple. That was a really form. As you see, we are going to analyze this. We have here a simple HTML page. It accepts two things: block number. Oh, I have to change it because I've copy pasted from my other code. Just I'm saying input string, and difficulty I can also remove it, but I want a little bit tricky. Okay, look, this is the page. You are going to give a string, and you are just click here, a string to binary, and you are going to convert it and expect that you get your result here on there. Okay, that's okay. Here is a simple page. The source code you are going to find my GitHub page. This is really, I've made it many times because all of my Spring Boot application you see this simple page because I need only input for my user and I'm not front-end coder. Okay, and guys, let's continue. Okay, we have a simple page here. We can ask our input, and here if I'm going to my application, to my main controller, this controller is going to handle input. Okay, for that thing, guys, we need a method. This method I've searched on Google and find it, and you can also find it everywhere. This is a simple Java method. It accepts a string as input, and it's going to convert it. It's make a string builder. There is an array, and it's a for loop, and it's going to append it with a specific format type, and at the end it's return just result. Okay, now this is simple method, simple Java method, really easy everywhere to find. And here as you see, I have here a controller. It's a get mapping. It accepts request parameter value tal1, 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 and here tal4. I'm going to say you why I want to have tal4 because we don't actually we don't need it. And here I have a math type. It's a type of a radio button. That's here. That's this one. That radio button that you can click. That's going past. I accept it here, and just a model interface. Okay, and here is a simple like before. If if our first input is not 0, and math type mean radio button, if it's like this and nothing chosen by user, it's gonna give an error. We have to choose one, and that's the meaning of this. If that of it, if he chosen what, or if he click or she click there, okay, and then switch for me math type. I have it in the case plus. And what's case plus? Case plus, we have it here, plus. Okay, case plus, math type radio button. Okay, I get those things here, and I'm going to do what now? Here we made it a method. I'm going to make a string here to convert a string to binary, and it accepts one input as a string, and I'm going to take that string from my front end input, what user going to type here. I get that string and I pass it here, and the result I'm going to pass it there, here in my placeholder. And you see, this is really easy peasy. I'm telling you, that's really easy peasy, easily peasily. Hey, okay, let's go. Okay, let's check it. Let's check it. Okay, come on, baby. Okay, I'm going to clear my console to see what happened, and we don't have any entity or any data transfer object, DTOs or nothing. No database, no JPA, no SQL, nothing. It's just simple as possible. I'm going to close those windows, and I'm going to localhost, and you see I have here input string. I'm going to type a, and here I want to say 2. You can pass everything, huh? Just you cannot leave it empty, huh? You have to pass something, 1 for example, and I'm clicking here, and what I expect, here I get this text. Let's see if it's happened. You see here is exact the same what we got here. These two websites are the same, just this is a little bit beautiful, and for us no. And we can also make other method to convert binary to a string or ASCII to a string, or we can just make it, just update it, be a pro, just make a simple page to convert all of them and just shoot it online, I mean. You see, guys, and these things I am going to make a video about how we can make a program. Just we are going to write it in just Java language, and after that to convert it to binary, to hide it to be bad guys. If you want to be bad guy, you have to be hide from antiviruses, from everything, and that's why really I don't like be bad guy. I'm good guy. Okay, guys, that was really simple one. I try to show you. As you see, we got, and here you see here we have we can choose which one we want, and here for us is just radio button, and but here is just a menu or something like that. We can make like a radio button. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. I'm really open for any job opportunity everywhere. No, for good guy. I'm good guy, guys. Okay, guys, have a nice day. See you next video, and ciao.